This is what I'm repairing. It scratches. Monica ran her bike by it and it scratched my paint all the way down. So I got a paint repair kit. Okay, I'm gonna try to fix this paint chip. It's like paint scratches all the way across. I'm gonna show you the process. I got like a kit online that's supposed to fix this. But I wanted to kind of show you the before. I do have some paint chips too, I think on the hood. Let me see. So there's a couple paint chips. I mean, they're really small. I don't know if you can see them on the hood. And then I think on this side, there's like a small scratch, okay? I don't know if you can see that or not, but I'm gonna try to show you the process, okay? So this is what I got. It's called Dr. Color Chip. And this is kind of what the kit looks like. There's gloves, there's a little squeegee, a towel, there's even napkins and little paintbrushes. And then they've got these little things. This is an exact color match for my car. When you go online, you put in your make and model and it gives your color. I'm not sure what this is, but I'll figure it out, okay? So I'm going to show you the process and see how this goes. Hi everyone. I've kind of started, but I wanted to go over the process. So here's my color chip match. It said you can apply it with your fingers, with the brushes. I'm thinking the brush is the best bet. Comes with these little plastic things, so I just put my paint in there and dipped my brush in there, and then I went in the scratches where the deep paint was. It instantly dries very quickly. I'm going to kind of show you. I'm going to apply it one more time, let you see kind of how this goes. So let me put my gloves back on, okay? Hold on a minute. You don't want this all over your hands. So they give you gloves. You're supposed to start out spraying it with like rubbing alcohol. That is the only thing that did not come with the kit, was the rubbing alcohol. You spray it and wipe it down. Okay, but you just dip it and then you paint it. Okay, and then the next step it says is squeegee it. And I'll show you the squeegee. Let me get the squeegee thing. So once you paint it in the chip, you kind of just squeegee it and it flattens it in the hole. Okay? So it feels like I've got it all. It dries in less than 5 minutes. It's pretty simple to do. I've kind of went over everything already, but I wanted to show you this part. Okay? And I will show you the next step. I'm going to let this dry for a little bit, and then I will come back on, show you the last part. It looks like it's just primer and wipe it down and you're done. So anyway, that's the next part. Okay, on the next step, it just says to put the sealant stuff on your cloth, and then you're supposed to rub this in with this, and then you're supposed to rub it in with your microfiber cloth. So I'm just gonna follow the directions. Looks like they gave me extra ones. So, see how this goes. So far, it looks pretty good. I can see a difference in it already. Okay. So, I got that on there, and it said just rub it with your hands. Oh my gosh, it rubs away pretty easy. Excess paint. It's kind of said just rub it until it all is blending well. Let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm going to use a little more. You just keep wiping it. It said until it all blends in. Okay? So you'll see the excess paint disappear, which I did. And then you're gonna, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna try to get it close. And then you just wipe it in. See how this goes. You're supposed to wipe over it till it blends. So right now it's like pushed up, and I'm just gonna keep wiping over it until it's not pushed up anymore. So let's see how this goes. So I can see like extra in the other areas. And you're supposed to just kind of go up flat. You just keep going over it flat till it's all blended, and then you take your microfiber, buff it out. It's looking a lot better. I can still see the scratch, but it's not white anymore. My guess is I could probably go over this, do it again, and it would probably disappear. But the white that was chipping, where it was chipping and showing white, it's not doing that anymore. So I'm gonna keep putting, keep doing this. You keep going till you go over all of it, because I have tons of different marks I've done on my car with it, like little paint chips and stuff. So I kind of did the whole thing at the same time, because I figured if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do the whole thing. This is kind of what the rag looks like. So I'm gonna keep going over it, and then I'll show you when it's done. Okay, so I am done. I wanted to kind of show you a close-up of the door. So before you could see the scratches, I can still see them, but they're a lot lighter. I think I'll have to do this maybe one more time because it's pretty deep, but it did blend very, very well. And it buffs out. So when you wipe it with this cloth, it kind of just cleans off the excess paint, and then you buff it and it goes in the hole. Very simple. I would definitely recommend it. Bye everyone. I'm all done with the door. It cleared up the scratches pretty well.